about ready to go out for qualifying. Comes the rider. Badass. Let's go. Believe how far the Harley Davidson performance machines have come. They're cutting lap times 3 seconds faster than the 600 Super Sports now, in the same lap times they were doing 10 years ago in the 1000cc super bike class. Just unbelievable. These bikes are pushing 200 miles an hour and 200 horsepower, 186 horse and 186.7 miles an hour. And they're pretty reliable too, because they don't rev that high, and they've been developing this engine for years. And what they came up with now is it just flat out works. These guys are power sliding around corners, wheeling down the straightaways on big giant touring chassis that are highly modified, both custom aluminum swing arms, suspension, high performance upside down forks, triple clamps, killer brakes. They make it work, that's for sure. And Harley's selling a performance bagger to the public now, the CVO ST. You can buy one right from the dealership. That's got 121 cubic inch, 127 horsepower, absolute rocket, 6-speed, fuel injected. Long travel remote reservoir shocks and upside down forks, Showa forks. It's hard to get any footage up here of the bikes. We're so far away, and the track is so massive. When you look around, the Daytona Speedway is a huge track, so at best we can get a glimpse of them ripping by.